Join us for 5-day online workshop on NMR interpretation for pharma professionals. Organized by Springwell Pharma Private Limited and Ananddeep Foundation, Master NMR Spectroscopy from Spectra to Solution. Elevate your expertise in H&C NMR with industry experts and academic leaders. Workshop schedule: Day 1 Fundamentals of NMR Spectroscopy, Dr. Maulik Vaja. Day 2 Understanding HNMR, Dr. Bandhu Chatel. Day 3 Basics of CNMR, Dr. Mamta Joshi. Day 4 Combined H and AMP-C Interpretation, Dr. Dattatreya Dinkar Gore. Day 5 Industrial Applications, Mr. Amit Venkatiya. Key highlights: hands-on interpretation of NMR spectra, case studies from pharma industry applications, structural elucidation of a PIS and AMP natural compounds, expert-led interactive sessions, e-certificates upon completion. Who should attend? Pharma professionals, researchers, students, and AMP industry experts seeking NMR mastery. Registration fee $1,500, limited seats. Register now and AMP enhance your NMR skills.